Hello everyone. In today's video, we will talk about creating attendance sessions on Moodle and uploading uploading attendance from CSV file. So the first thing that we need to do in order to create an attendance sessions is to enable edit mode. And in this case, we'll probably add it to the first general session by pressing an add activity or resource. Then we choose attendance option. We can simply name it attendance. Here are some additional settings like maximum page. Should it be visible for students or not? And so on. For now, we will just leave default settings. So once it's created, we will see that there showed attendance bar here, but we don't have any sessions. So in order to create a sessions, we should choose add sessions option. Then we can choose to add a session for all students or specific group of students. For example, in this case, we have BS1, BS2. However, now I will just create it for all students. So date that we need is, in my case, 14th of June. The time is for 12:40 till 15:50, which is double class. So we can choose to create a calendar event for session or not. In this case, I believe I will leave it. So also what is a very good option is to create a multiple sessions like we'll create. So I will say repeat the session every Friday, repeat every 1 week, repeat until I believe 20 of July. So it will create 6 sessions between 14th of June and 20 of July, although I'm not sure if it's correct, maybe 22nd. So we can allow students to record their own session. We usually don't choose that. Automatic marking set unmarked at the end of the session. We probably don't need that, so we'll disable it. So we can ignore these options for now. So now I can see that there are 6 sessions created. So I have sessions from 14th of June till Friday, 19th of June. And the time, as you can see, is the one that I set up. And it's called regular class session. So now if we go here, we will see that attendance is there and it has some sessions. So for example, now let's say that I want to upload some attendance for students from CSV file. In this case, I used BAM and I recorded attendance automatically. And in order to upload it, I need to choose this button and I will see that there are no any students. So one option is to go manually by checking present, late, excused, or absent. But actually what I want is upload attendance by CSV, so to avoid manually doing it. So here is my file, so I will just upload it. Other options can be default, upload attendance by CSV. So if we check this file, we will actually see that I have external user field, which is the email in my case, and I have a status, which is B for all students who attended. And in this case, I will choose external user field to be external user field, and Moodle user field to match with my external field should not be user ID. that's very important, but email, because as you saw, I have an email in my document. And the status field for Moodle will be the field called status from my document. So now I can simply press upload attendance by CSV. And after some time, it will be done. So here now I can see that attendance for this week is actually green and is clickable. So if I want to check it, I can simply open it and see that all students who attended are marked. So there are some students who missed. In this case, I can, for example, manually mark them as absent, or in case of excused students, I can simply press excused option, which is, I believe, third one. Yes, so excuse the third one. There is option late, which we usually don't use, and there is option absent. So in this case, I can also choose the option to set status for unselected or all. So in this case, I can say absent. So all students that actually are with empty attendance will be marked as absent. So here we can see that actually everything is fine. So I can save and show the next page. And I think that's it for attendance, and see you in the next video.